Welcome back to Cooking with Poncie. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spicy barbecue ribs in the slow cooker. So here we have a rack of pork baby back ribs, and the first thing I like to do is cut off all the excess fat. Then I cut the rack in half so it'll fit into my slow cooker. Next, we're gonna add our special barbecue sauce. Wait, how do we make the barbecue sauce? First, take 1 bottle of your favorite barbecue sauce. I like to use organic barbecue sauce without corn syrup. Whisk it all together and taste test. Back to where we left off. Now pour the barbecue sauce all over the ribs, but don't use it all. You want to save some of this for later. Rub the barbecue sauce all over the ribs. Make sure to give them a good bath. And finally, set the temperature to high and let them sit there for 4 hours. After 2 hours, it's time to flip them ribs. Move the bottom rack to the top and the top rack to the bottom. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, share. 4 hours later, let's take a look. The meat just falls right off of the bone. They're so tender and juicy. Mouth watering. Remember that barbecue sauce we told you to save? Now it's time to rub some of that sauce on your rib and enjoy. Taste test. Outstanding. And so there you have it. Quick and easy, slow cooker, spicy barbecue ribs.